Hello there and welcome back to my leisure home. My name is Shane and I'm here videoing this beautiful Delta Superior Lodge. Now this holiday home comes sited Okay, so as you can see, the front of this one really does stand out. It's got them huge bay windows and sliding patio doors just there. It's got lights on the front of the decking and along this side as well. So that is a 13 by 6 front. And then this side one, this is 36 by 10 foot side decking. It's absolutely massive. It's going to go fantastic on the plot that we've selected for this one at Verley, and it's going to be a brilliant sun trap. So the Delta Superior then, some really key features of this one that we'll have a look at just in as we go in now. So you come in then, this lovely brand new vinyl flooring. It's had new carpets and vinyl throughout. And I'm just going to kick off my shoes and then we'll take a look around the lodge. So here on the left hand side then you've got a 4-seater dining room table. This lovely U-shaped kitchen, just look how bright an area that is, also how much room's in here. You've got an integrated microwave, washing machine just in that cupboard there, dishwasher in that one, stainless steel sink and then your draining board, spotlights all around, loads of shelving and storage, a stainless steel extractor, 4-hob gas cooker and your oven and grill just below. It's also got an American fridge freezer just here. It's also plumbed in for ice and a water dispenser. And then as we go through to the living room then, you go into this lovely plush grey carpet. Loads of room in here. And one of the key features in this one that people do love is the way that this wall sort of separates the kitchen from the lounge area. So although you still know what's going on and you can still speak to the person cooking tea, it does separate the rooms very nice. So sliding patio door so you don't lose any room on your decking. Electric fire just there. Place to warm out your television, and then there is your aircon unit. Now that also doubles as a heating unit as well. Really cost effective and takes that nip out the air, but also keeps you nice and cool in the summer as well. Lovely storage area over there and that mirror bouncing around that natural light. So this is closed off in the living room dining area from the rear of the holiday home. We'll have a look at the master room first. So as we go through, you come in to the master room. So you've got this king size bed here at the end. Beautiful headboard surrounding, loads of overhead storage, and then a reading light either side with your plug sockets and USBs either side as well. A bay window at the rear, pulling in all that natural light. Behind this door is a big built-in wardrobe. Okay, so plenty of shelving space in there, a cupboard and rails in there as well. Place to warm out your television just up here. And then we have an ensuite shower room. So you've got a huge end shower, cabinet just here with a spotlight just above, storage behind the cabinet, a countersunk basin, and then your toilet just there. There's also your boiler cupboard just there in the corner. Now we'll have a look at the guest bedroom then. So your guest bedroom is just over this side. Now this has just one single bed in it at the moment, but you can have two. So the single's just here along this wall. Plug sockets either side, place to warm mount a telly. And then there is a storage unit here, but you can actually have a bed going from that corner over to here if you would prefer not to just have the one single bed, but that would be no problem whatsoever. Now, another amazing feature of this one, and I've saved this till last, is the bathrooms. So you have a full-size bath that has a shower head as well, mermaid board surrounding, cabinet just here with storage, countersunk basin and storage just below. There's a lot of room in this shower as well, and then your toilet's just here, and that window pulling in that natural light. So again, this is a Delta Superior Lodge, comes sited with decking and skirting, and it's available on Verney House Country Park or Croft Lakes Country Park, priced at just $47,997 with 2026 site fees. For any more information on this one or any of the other range that My Leisure Home have, contact me on 07425 77 30 30 or at shane@myleisureHome.co.uk. Thanks for watching, guys.